Can you sit outside and then start contemplating? All right, a wonderful chance for you to actually go stargazing. Right, go for camping. Look at the stars. Look at how the moon is, and not only that, take up a telescope or a binocular or something. You know, I'll tell you, it used to happen long before, when I would lay down and stargaze, just laying down, looking at the stars. You would feel the emptiness of the space, right? And you start to wonder, man, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created this world for us. And around this world, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created billions of kilometers worth of complete emptiness. With these rocks moving around, the moon and the Saturn and all these things running around. Nothing, no life on them. Right? Maybe like, you know, what do you call, one is how distance, there's a astronomical distance. Light years, or there is another one as well. All right, how many light years? Oh, Assalamu alaikum. How many light years you would travel? Who knows? 100 light years or 200 light years, you might find another life form. Right? What would be the condition of that life form and everything, all that. But sitting here, looking and contemplating, you start to wonder, man, it's huge. This universe is huge, and I am on a dot, and I am nothing. And it's impossible for it to just come like that. So Big Bang happened, and then everything just fit into place. MashaAllah, my food doesn't fit itself. Right? Somebody has to cook it. So nothing happens on its own just like that. Somebody has to go and say, kun, be, and then it starts to unfold. And there are not only that, it happens on its own, with the saying of Allah's kun. The sunnah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is that there are intermediaries, right? There are malaika, there are angels who are on the work, what they are going to do. Even for our own life, there are angels who are doing particular things. We said Iman is about believing in Allah, believing in angels. And what, the angels are just sitting there and doing nothing, tapping their knuckles and tapping their toes, nothing to do. Oh, it's a slow day today. No, every angel has something assigned, right? So angels are doing the work, and we don't realize that. Mashallah, two are sitting right over here, one here, and we always mess up with them because we keep on taking them into the wrong places, right? So I mean, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made like that. Shahadati Allah ilaha. Once this reality seeps into your heart, then you start to realize, look, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in everything. Not fi zatihi, but Allah's Jamal and Allah's beauty and Allah's work involved in every single thing. Subhanallah, from how far have we come that we were using rocks to make sparks, to make fire, and now mashallah, with electricity we are doing everything. Who thought, who opened this curtain for us that there may be an ionic negative charge and positive charge, and that's going to bring about electricity for you? Right? Somewhere along the line, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decided, okay, the ummah, the humans, lift this curtain for them, let them figure this out. Every millennia, little by little, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala opens His haqaiq, His ma'rifat, His realities. Now, check this out. Now, as soon as they come to a new discovery, boson Higgs or the God particle or this or that, all these postulations and everything, they come to these kind of things, they start questioning God. Not realizing that it's Allah who is opening it up for you. That look into this as well. You want to look for imaniyat, look inward into your body, as we will do in the next hadith, inshallah. Like your own body, contemplate and make tadabbur in that. Look outward, look, siru fil ard, travel in the earth, find any and all ways of confirming that there has to be only one ilah, only one ilah who is running everything. And who's that? Call him whatever you want to call him, but it's La ilaha illallah. He is the ilah that you're going to worship. You come to this portion of your iman, then you have confirmed Tawheed. you have confirmed wahdaniyah in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And those who will not get the rest of the message, genuinely will not get the rest, not that they have closed their eyes to the message. No, genuinely who don't get the rest of the message, inshallah this iman will be sufficient for them.